We are pleased to show you the 2005 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, power mirrors, running boards, intermittent wipers, Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, auto express down window, beverage holders, reclining seats, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.